Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you 4 tips to have a cleaner Python code. These are actually general tips, and if you keep them in your mind, you'll have a cleaner, better code. So let's get started. The first one is to keep your hands clean and always prevent the code with dirty hands. For that, use 70% industrial alcohol or disinfectant gel. Also, don't forget to wash your hands as much as you can. The second tip is to keep your code clean by taking a shower. Make sure it happens at least 2 times a week. Making pee under warm water is one of the greatest pleasures in the world. Also remember to use a good deodorant after it. The third one is to make your code healthy. Daily exercise, a good diet, and avoiding smoking are the most important parts. Vaccination, visiting a dentist and a physician, and also a general checkup are next priorities. But it's not just about physical health. When it comes to mental health, you should make your code happy in the first place. It's all on you. I give you some suggestions. Doing magic, play different board games, sparring, listen to rap music, and hanging out are some of them. So just have fun and take care of each other. Last but not least tip is to help your code to be a literate code. Because being literate makes you better, possibly, I guess. Anyway, just send your code to a good school. Sorry, Fox school. Buy some books for it to develop his or her knowledge. Sorry, I don't know its gender. Because knowledge is the power, the pure one.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Oh man, I hate copyright.